This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap. Stock markets were finally able to have a quiet day after so much volatility last week. The Dow Jones closed higher by 42 points at 13,121. The Nasdaq also gained some ground. It closed higher by 3.5 points at 25,08. However, the S&P 500, with its higher proportion of financial stocks, lost some ground. It closed lower by about half a point at 1445. Fannie Mae announced that we'll skip a benchmark debt offering for the first time since May 2006. Fannie Mae is permitted to pass twice a year on the offerings. Analysts said the move suggests that the demand for even high-rated mortgages appears scant at the moment and impacting funding plans at the agency. Thornburg, a mortgage lender, reported that it sold $20.5 billion of assets and reduced its borrowing to reduce its risk amid a difficult market for home loans. The real estate investment trust said actions will stabilize the company's ability to meet its financial obligations and continue its mortgage lending operations. Countrywide Financial has started laying off employees in an effort to cut as it faces a credit crunch. New reports cite an internal email sent Friday to employees of Countrywide's Full Spectrum Lending Unit said the company has laid off workers in that division. Countrywide employs a total of about 61,000 people, and about 6,800 of them worked in sales at Full Spectrum as of June 30th. Central Expense said it will cut roughly 2,400 jobs, more than 7% of its total workforce, by the end of next year. The company, which said it doesn't expect its sales to be affected by the move, will incur a pre-tax one-time charge of $45 million in the third quarter. Crude oil prices dropped by more than 1% as weather reports indicated that Hurricane Dean would not hit major Gulf of Mexico energy production infrastructure. An analyst at Citigroup said many of the long positions in oil markets have been bets on hurricane damage. A hurricane warning has been issued for the coast of Belize and the eastern coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. In earnings news, Lowe's, the nation's second largest home improvement chain, said its second quarter profit rose 9% on higher overall revenue. The result came ahead of Wall Street expectations, and its share rose more than 4% on pre-market trading. The retailer said it earned $1.02 billion or 67 cents for the quarter. Scheduled economic reports for Tuesday include the retail chain index for the week of August 18th, and scheduled earnings reports for Tuesday include Target, Saks, Analog Devices, Dick's Sporting Goods, Medtronic, American Eagle Outfitters, Staples, and Pep Boys. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap.